This is Andrew Dimino from Carbsmart.com, and today I'm making Dana Carpenter's low-carb green eggs and ham Easter recipe. This is a great recipe for breakfast or a simple supper. It warms up beautifully in the microwave too. The combination of eggs, ham, mushrooms, and spinach is an easy Easter recipe. Okay, so you're not actually getting green eggs. You're getting ham, mushrooms, and spinach with your eggs, and of course, your spinach is what's green. You probably thought we were going to dye the eggs, right? No, there's no need to with this recipe. Let's prepare all the ingredients for this recipe. 1/2 medium onion, diced. 8 ounces sliced mushroom. Use the edge of your spatula to break up the mushroom into smaller bits or coarse chop them into smaller pieces. 2 tablespoons ham fat or bacon grease, or our favorite is coconut oil. Dump the spinach into a strainer in the sink and press all the excess water out. 8 ounces of cooked ham, 6 eggs, 1 cup creamed cottage cheese. If you don't have a food processor, you could cream your cottage cheese with a large spoon or spatula. 2 teaspoons of spicy brown mustard, 2 teaspoons prepared horseradish, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Coat an 8x8 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. In the meanwhile, crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Add the cottage cheese, mustard, horseradish, salt and pepper. Whisk it all up. Add your coconut oil and, in a big heavy skillet over medium heat, start sauteing the onion and mushrooms. If you haven't already, use the edge of your spatula to break the mushrooms into smaller pieces. I love the smell of onions and mushrooms in the morning. Stir the drained spinach and the ham into the onion-mushroom mixture. As you know, cast iron skillets can get very hot, so I've added my silicone handle holders to the handles. Spoon it all into your baking dish. Spread in an even layer. Pour the egg mixture into the baking dish. And mess it around with a spoon just enough to make sure that the eggs are seeping all the way through the vegetable ham mixture. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Remove from the oven. Cut into 6 pieces to serve. This recipe makes 6 servings, each with 5 grams of net carbs. For a printable version of this recipe, search green eggs at Carbsmart.com. For over 600 more free low-carb recipes, including over 100 by Dana Carpenter, please visit Carbsmart.com. I welcome your comments below.